one of my favorite mugs to date, this awesome AW Fashions cat mug, pretty well sums up the situation. When my children lived at home here, they came by several cats as gifts. Now that they've moved out, who do you think is still taking care of these sweet animals? Add those to the ones my wife and I adopted and rescued, and we have 16 kiddos. This awesome, high quality mug helps me get through the morning, reminds me of who really I work for, or at least who the cats think I really work for. And these cups are truly well made and packed with care for guaranteed safe arrival at your door. So you, your friends, and your family will all love these wonderful mugs and start your days off on a funny note. Go here to get yours down below now, risk free and guaranteed. Thank you.